This is an excerpt from Peter Ralston's new book, Ending Unnecessary Suffering, coming out in spring of 2025, narrated by Ethan Martin. One of the background, and sometimes foreground, forms of suffering we endure is not feeling as if we are whole and complete, that we or life are not as they should be. When we look at our experience, there is often a sense of not being completely whole, free from dilemma and dissatisfaction. We tend to experience ourselves as unfinished, as needing to be fixed somehow, or wanting to have a better life experience than what we have. This root is the source of many forms of suffering, such as dissatisfaction, despair, distress, depression, feeling unworthy, inadequate, flawed, and so on. We often think we are in need of something to make us whole or happy. We live in a world of what we should be, but are not. An overall distinction for this condition could be called being incomplete. Obviously, then, being complete would eliminate all of those conditions. Feeling completely whole and happy, without lacking anything you think you or your life should have or be, is not a common human experience. So one goal we have in our work here is to be complete. In order to do that, and have it be real, however, we need to get to the bottom of our self-experience and become more deeply conscious of what we do that fragments our integrity and creates a sense of being incomplete. Toward that end, more foundational work is useful. Look for Ending Unnecessary Suffering in spring of 2025.